Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Betha. So in this video I just wanted to give you an update on how my mini twists are doing. I have been wearing mini twists for 2 weeks now and I really like how they are faring on. So I just wanted to give you an update and show you guys exactly how and what I'm doing to keep them healthy and neat. So first thing first, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Let's start by removing this scarf. So this is how I have been just wrapping them up when I am at home and going to sleep. I am using this satin scarf that I bought from our local market. I don't know, it was at 30 Kenyan shillings. So it is really lovely and I really like it. So I have either been using this satin scarf or this. It's also satin in material and I like the two of them because they have been doing a pretty good job on my hair. So far so good. As you can see, there is a lot of new growth, but the braids are still holding in pretty well. So on my ends, as you can see, it has curled up, and this is the reason why I love mini braids, the curly ends. So for the last 1 week I did a little bit of moisturizing. As I told you, the climate is a little bit too dry in this area, so I did a little bit of moisturizing. But starting on this week and the 3rd week and the 4th week, I'm going to add a little bit on that. So I have actually been using water, just going in and spritzing, especially on my ends. I just love my ends to have more of the moisture, a little bit more, so that because they are the driest and the oldest of my hair, so I like them having a little bit more of the water or of the moisture, so that they can not break, to avoid breakage. So as I have removed my scarf, my hair is not so much dry, it's a little bit moisturized because I moisturized it well the last time I did it and just tucked in inside that scarf. So after moisturizing, I'm just going to put a little bit of this coconut oil on my roots. Just a little bit. Just like that. Especially here, because I have realized that I have a little bit more of dandruff. So this coconut oil just helps in reducing dandruff, and also it reduces dry scalp. It also helps in reducing itchiness. Then I go in with my leave-in conditioner. So just a little bit. I apply this only at my ends, or on my ends, or at the strands of the hair. Nothing at my roots. No leave-in conditioner at my roots. Then I go in with my sealant, just a little bit. So I can apply this either on the roots or on the hair strands. So I just keep that on the roots so as to seal that good moisture. So at the end of last week, I went ahead and added some onion deep conditioning. So I did some onion deep conditioning, and I just rinsed my hair with pure water. I didn't wash it with shampoo because I wanted to retain that good, what are they called, nutrients. Yeah, I wanted to retain that good nutrients from the onion. So I just did a water rinse at the end of last week. Then as I apply, I try and feel if I have any single strand knots, because this is also a good time to trim them. So at the end of your braids, you can just try and trim the single strand knots, because they won't allow growth. Sorry, they will end up, you remove all the single strand knots because they will end up destroying or causing breakage. So while going to the market, I just tie my hair up like this on a ponytail using my scrunchie. But when I go on a far place or other places which are not near home, or on occasion, this is what I do. I end up tying my hair with a rubber band on a low ponytail like that. Then I put on then I scratch my edges. Then I put on my cap wig, which currently I don't know where it is, and then I end up putting on this little wig. So I bought this wig from Kilima. I can't remember the price, so this is just how I do it. So I just put a part on whichever side I feel like, this side or this other side, and I comb the rest to lay down flat. And I love it. So what do you think? So this is the back. So I can also decide into this other, but just like this. So yeah, that's it for this week. So I'll be keeping this mini twist for 2 more weeks. I hope they hold up well. I hope I'll also do a refreshment on the perimeter, but so far so good. Until next time, see you people. Bye.